Hello, Zos Macabre here today, and I'm going to run you through a breakdown of one of my favorite pistols. It's a Grendel P30. Comes stock with a 30 round magazine. It takes .223, so .223 WMR. Always make sure the gun is not loaded. I removed the clip. It's my favorite, one of my favorite pistols I've ever had. I'd say probably my most favorite. This is a Grendel, like I said. Grendel is the last name of the fellow who started Caltech. When he moved to America, he moved to Florida and started producing firearms around 1987, 1988 under the name Grendel. You probably can't see it, but I wanted to run through the teardown of this bad boy today because I'm getting ready to clean it. It's pretty simple. Just grab the end here. Definitely hold on tight because there's a big spring underneath here. Pull this boy out. Then you take this part off. And this guy goes out and up. And this is what we're left with. You can take it apart a whole lot more than that, but for the basic purpose of cleaning it and servicing it, this is all I'm doing.